Portable power stations claim to be an easy, quiet solution, but not all of them deliver when it counts. In this video, I'm going to be putting the EcoFlow Delta 3 Classic to the test. By the end, you'll know if this is the right option for your needs or if you should move on. Inside the box, you'll get the Delta 3 Classic, the AC charging cable, manual, and warranty card. The power station is equipped with a 1,024 watt-hour battery, 3 AC outlets, 3 DC ports, 1 USB-C that outputs 100 watts, 1 USB-C that outputs 30 watts, and 1 USB-A that outputs 18 watts. Its continuous power is 1,800 watts. While it can support up to 2,600 watts using the X-Boost technology for short burst, it does have a peak output of 3,600 watts for a very short amount of time. You'll find that the screen is easy to read inside and remains legible outdoors. It clearly displays the state of charge, time remaining, output wattage, input wattage, and charging status. The Delta 3 measures in at roughly 11 by 7 by 16 inches, which makes it compact enough for easy transporting. Weighing in at just 26.4 pounds, it remains portable and manageable carrying for short distances. Included is a 5-year warranty, typically structured as a 3-year standard warranty with an additional 2-year extension available upon registration through the EcoFlow app. If you're new here, I'd like to introduce you to thesolarpit.com. Sign up for free giveaways on power stations and gear I've reviewed on this channel. Get instant recommendations for the right power station by answering a short questionnaire. Explore full archive reviews and comparisons. And when you're ready, you can buy and find the best possible deals using my verified discount codes. Next up is the inverter. No matter the size of the power station, the inverter determines how well it powers your devices. I'll cover continuous discharge, essential load backup, noise levels, pure sine wave performance, standby consumption, thermal management, and the UPS function. First up is the continuous discharge, which tells us what the unit can handle for a long run time. It's rated for 1,800 watts of continuous output, and the system had no issues with discharging from 100% to 0% at close to max continuous output of that 1,800 watts for the entire test. Not all power stations can actually maintain their rated continuous output for the entire discharge. EcoFlow does a great job delivering on their promises. Essential load support determines what you can keep running during an outage. This is not a full home backup solution. However, it can easily maintain power to refrigerators, freezers, Wi-Fi, CPAP, or other essential appliances during a blackout. The length of time that it can power those appliances is really determined by the power consumption of those appliances. For example, if the power consumption of your CPAP is 30 watts per hour, then the Delta 3 Classic could maintain power to that device for over 30 hours. This is factoring in the actual usable capacity of the batteries, which I'll discuss a little later in this video in the battery section. But if the appliance uses 300 watts of power, then you're looking at maintaining that device for just a little bit over 3 hours. This is not factoring in having it connected to solar panel during daylight hours. That could significantly increase your run times. Let's talk about the noise output, one of the subtle but important differences between models, especially if you're using the unit indoors or in close proximity. Under moderate load around 1,350 watts, the actual sound levels measured in around 39 to 40 decibels. That is equivalent to a soft hum of a refrigerator and falls well below the 70 decibel threshold considered for safe, comfortable noise levels. Sine wave output is one of the most important specs for home and office use, and I verify every power station that I test for clean sine wave performance, and this one performed great while in standby and under a load. Even when idle, inverters still consume energy. Some consume far more power than many might imagine. Let's see how the Delta 3 Classic did. My testing method is simple. I power the system up and then I turn on the AC outlets, and I set the screen to always on when that option is available. just to remain consistent. I let it set for 24 hours exactly. I come back to see exactly how much the battery uses over that period of time with nothing connected. The Delta 3 Classic consumed roughly 30% over a 24-hour period, breaking down to 307 watts total and an estimated 13 watts per hour. To provide some context on those results, it lands this power station in the top 5% of all power stations that I've tested for standby consumption. Thermal management affects longevity, reliability, and it's crucial for safety. This is best evaluated by performing a stress test on the system, pushing the unit to its max and using temperature probes and a thermal camera to monitor the temperature readings. Overall, the Delta 3 Classic did a great job of maintaining safe operating temperatures under a stress test. UPS support is handy for keeping computers, routers, and sensitive electronics running without interruption. The good news for the Delta 3 Classic is that it can switch from one power source to another power source in less than 10 milliseconds. Even using a very sensitive light that typically shows some sort of flicker at 15 milliseconds or more, I could not see any type of disruption, even with a load being drawn. The switchover happens without any disruption where it is losing power or regaining power to the system. The battery is the heart of any power station, and in this section, I'll cover the usable AC capacity, DC capacity, expandability options, and the life expectancy. I'll start with the AC discharge, which determines the usable capacity that we'll get out of the system. During testing, I got 940 watt hours out of the rated 1024 watt hours of capacity, giving us a 91.7% usable capacity, which is an exceptional result. Buddy, this is uncommon, but I was unable to perform the DC discharge capacity since there is no car socket available. That is what the EcoFlow Delta 3 Classic is not designed to be expanded with any of the EcoFlow expandable batteries. The Classic is a single product that is flexible, versatile, and maintains simplicity in offering essential backup. It's not trying to be something that it's not. The rated life cycle gives you an idea of how long a battery will last before the capacity drops significantly. The Delta 3 Classic uses advanced LiPo4 LFP battery chemistry featuring a high life cycle rating of 4,000 cycles or more to 80% capacity. This allows approximately 10 plus years of daily use before the battery capacity drops to 80%. Recharging speed and flexibility are important, and now I'll cover the AC, solar, and multi-charging options in this section. Up first is the AC charging, which is the standard wall outlet method. The max input rating of 1400 watts, you can charge this up from 0 to 80% in about 45 minutes. Solar input allows you to recharge using sunlight, making it ideal for camping and emergency situations. The Delta 3 Classic supports up to 500 watts of solar input with an MPPT range on the voltage side between 11 and 60 volts. Multi-charging can be a real time saver when you need full power, even when you have no access to solar or AC power. If paired with the EcoFlow alternator charger, you could charge the system up with 500 watts while driving down the road. Let's talk about safety features and how this unit keeps you and your devices protected. The battery management system ensures that the battery operates within safe limits, preventing damage and hazards. A good BMS monitors every part of the battery, preventing electrical faults, thermal issues, and overcurrent problems. It keeps cells balanced to maintain capacity, protects devices from power spikes, and often includes dust and moisture resistant design for long-term reliability. The casing, internal build, and materials all play a role in protecting the battery. When choosing a portable power station, the materials used are key. Inside, LiPo4 batteries provide excellent thermal stability and long life while preventing fire hazards. Externally, rugged, often metal reinforced casings protect the unit from impacts, vibrations, and environmental hazards like dust and moisture. Internally, efficient inverters and premium circuitry ensures clean power delivery to your devices. In short, solid construction keeps both the battery and your electronics safe in every situation. Unlike gas generators, this portable power station avoids fumes, carbon monoxide, and fire hazards. If you're weighing backup options, portable power stations offer some clear advantages over gas generators. For starters, they're safe and clean. No fumes, no carbon monoxide, no fuel spills, and that means you can safely use them indoors, in an RV, or even in a tent. They're also quiet, so you don't have to deal with the loud engine while powering up your devices. And because they're portable, moving them is easy. No heavy lifting, no fuel storage hassle, and add in maintenance-free operation, no oil changes, no spark plugs, no fuel mess, and you've got a solution that's convenient, safe, and easy for everyday use. Companion apps for portable power stations provide an all-in-one management platform. You can see the battery percentage, monitor input and output wattage, check which ports are active, and estimate charging and run times. Remote controls allow you to turn on and off outlets, change charging speeds, set limits to protect battery life, and control the LED lights. Firmware updates and error notifications are often integrated. These features make it easy to manage your energy efficiency whether you're at home or on the go. Customer service is an important factor I test when reviewing products. A device might work perfectly, but if the company doesn't support you when you need it, that can be a problem. When I ran a mock issue, I contacted EcoFlow. Overall, I was satisfied with my experience, and I pay attention to how quickly they answer the call, how clear the guidance is, and whether they actually solve the problem or not. Some companies handle it well, while others leave you waiting and frustrated. EcoFlow support answered the call quickly, provided clear and easy to understand instructions, and resolved the problem that I presented them with. Including this in my review helps you know what to expect if you ever run into a problem with the product. Support can make a big difference in your overall experience. And this is also a good time to talk about what a 120 volt, 1800 watt, 1024 watt hour portable power station cannot do. These are powerful tools, but they do have limitations, especially when it comes to high draw appliances. Knowing these limitations ahead of time helps you avoid unrealistic expectations and make better decisions. Do not expect to use this system to back up multiple circuits. This is not what it's intended for. Also, do not expect the battery capacity to maintain output for long periods of time under heavy consumption. This is not what the portable power station is designed for. However, you can expect the Delta 3 Classic to perform excellent within its design capabilities. These limitations are not negatives. I'm pointing them out to help set proper expectations of what the Delta 3 Classic is really designed for. This has proven to be a well-rounded experience. The hardware does what it claims, and the features feel intentional, and nothing stands out as unfinished or poorly executed. It works well for at-home backup, off-grid use, camping, or simply staying prepared when the power goes out. This is not about saying that this is perfect. Every piece of equipment comes with compromises, and the key is whether those compromises make sense on how you plan to use it. For many people, this will be a strong option. For others, a different configuration may be a better fit. And I'm going to continue to put this through some real world use, and if anything changes over time, I'll be sure to share those updates with you. If you want to dive deeper into DIY solar, inverters, batteries, or real world power station comparisons, check out the videos on the screen or the links in the description below. Thank you for watching.